Hi loves, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Bridget and in today's video we are going to be making coconut meat pie and two easy fillings that you can make for any type of meat pie and hot not to do when you are making coconut meat pie. In a pan, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To that I'll add my chopped onions. When I am making my meat pie fillings, I don't allow the vegetables to be fully cooked, with the sense that they are going to be cooking again in the oven, and I don't want to overcook my vegetables, and I know you don't like to do that as well. So I added my all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, my lemon pepper, and I will add my canned beef. That is what I'm using for the first filling. I'll use the back of my spatula to just break it into even pieces, and I'll give it a quick stir. You can add any vegetable you like to your meat pie filling. I will add a little bit of water to loosen up the meat a little bit, and I will be adding some curry powder as well. I will give it a quick stir and I'll add my vegetables. I'll be adding frozen peas and carrots. You can use the fresh version of this vegetable. You can add any other vegetables, bell peppers, whatever you have to it, and that will be nice. We are done with this first filling. Moving on to the next filling, which doesn't require any heat. I open a can of tuna. I drain off the water, so I'm just going to pour all into a bowl, and I'm going to be using my fork to fluff the tuna into smaller pieces. And I have my chopped onions and my chopped bell peppers, so I'm just going to add those to the tuna fish and I'll give them a mix. After that, I will season them with some salt and pepper, and that is it. We are done with our second filling. This is very easy to make and anyone can make this. So now that our two fillings are ready, it is time to make our dough for the meat pie. In here, I have my all-purpose flour in the bowl already. I added my coconut flour. To that, I'll add some baking powder and some salt. I will give everything a quick mix all the dry ingredients together, and I'll be adding my butter. I'm just going to be using my hands or fingertips to knead the butter into the flour to get a breadcrumbs consistency, and I will be adding some ice cold water. You can use at room temperature water, and I'm just going to add the water gradually until I get a ball or form a nice dough. You may also substitute the water for coconut milk or regular milk. That will be nice as well. So sometimes when people make the regular meat pie, they put the dough in the refrigerator for the dough to relax before they knead it or mold into meat pie. But if you are making this recipe, do not put your dough in the refrigerator, with the sense that the dough is going to harden up. The coconut flour swells up and absorbs all the water from the dough, so do not put it in the refrigerator for any reason. Just mold it immediately you are done forming the dough, and that way it will be easy to work with and you will be fine. So I'm just adding my fillings. I'm now using the tuna filling. I used the canned beef filling earlier on, so just place it halfway into the dough and fold it over and use my hands to press it down. Use my hand to make dents on it, and that seals it. So I'm just going to use my fork to poke holes to give it a vent as it bakes, and I'm going to be egg washing it. And when I egg wash it, I'm just going to sprinkle some of these organic coconut flakes on top of my coconut meat pie. This is totally optional, but it makes it very pretty and the flavor is so amazing. I sometimes just snack on these coconut flakes and they taste so good. We will bake our meat pie in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. And after that, our meat pie is ready. It looks beautiful. It is delicious. And I know you will like this recipe. Just follow all the instructions and you'll get a perfect one like this. And see you in the next one. Bye.